Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury. So in today's video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury, which is two secret codes that we need to import it. So the first one we need to come back here, which is we will come and click on this section, which is in this bottle. So let's click on it. So the code here is 116. So let's go for this one. So this one, all you need to do is to click on this section, which is similar to Bloom. So this all the token is just for Bloom Quest. So this one is 579. So let's go to the quest section so that we should import it, the code that we have. So always come to activity, always. So let's import it here. After party, which is 119. Let's click on check.